Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, where our cozy farm kitchen brings you healthy, delicious, and globally inspired recipes. With a love for Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisines, vibrant flavors, and nutritional goodness, we make it simple to enjoy wholesome, flavorful meals at home. Whether you're recreating comforting classics or trying something new, our recipes are perfect for every season. Let's share the joy of good food, health, and togetherness. From our kitchen to yours. The traditional cuisines of the nations bordering the Mediterranean Sea served as the inspiration for the Mediterranean diet. According to the Cleveland Clinic, it stresses plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and healthy fats, particularly olive oil. As the main protein sources, moderate amounts of fish and seafood are recommended, while red meat should only be eaten infrequently, and chicken, eggs, cheese, and yogurt should be used in moderation. When planning a dinner party menu around seasonal ingredients, it helps to start by identifying what's fresh and widely available in your region during that particular time of year. Since you didn't specify a location or exact time of year, our culinary chef, Afsan, can give you a general overview of typical seasonal ingredients for each season in the Northern Hemisphere. Let me know if you're in a different part of the world in the comment, and I'll tailor it accordingly. Winter, roughly December, February. Produce root vegetables, carrots, parsnips, beets, turnips, sweet potatoes, winter squash, butternut, acorn, spaghetti squash, kabocha, cruciferous vegetables, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, cabbage, hardy greens, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, alliums, onions, garlic, leeks, fruits, citrus, oranges, mandarins, grapefruits, lemons, pomegranates, pears, cranberries, late fall through winter. Proteins, hearty cuts that do well with longer cooking times, like beef chuck, lamb shanks, pork shoulder. Roasting poultry, including chicken, turkey, and duck, is popular in colder weather. Key flavor notes, earthy, warming spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, with hearty herbs such as rosemary, thyme, and sage. Spring, roughly March-May. Produce, tender greens, baby spinach, pea shoots, arugula, early veggies, peas, asparagus, radishes, artichokes, alliums, spring onions, ramps, green garlic. Fruits, strawberries, late spring, apricots, late spring, rhubarb. Proteins, lighter fare. Think roasted chicken, fish or lamb with fresh herb sauces, eggs often feature in spring menus, quiches, frittatas, to highlight early produce. Key flavor notes, bright, fresh herbs, mint, dill, chives, parsley, lemony tang, floral notes. Summer, roughly June-August. Produce, summer veggies, tomatoes, zucchini, eggplant, peppers, cucumbers, corn or greens, fresh lettuce, basil, cilantro, and other tender herbs, beans, green beans, snap peas, summer shell beans. Fruits, stone. Fruits, peaches, plums, nectarines, cherries, berries. Strawberries in early summer, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, melons, watermelon, cantaloupe. Proteins, lighter grilling cuts, chicken breasts, fish fillets, shrimp, steak cuts for quick grilling. Think barbecue, kebabs, and fresh seafood. Key flavor notes, bright, fresh flavors, lots of herbs, basil, cilantro, citrus, and light dressings. Fall, roughly September, November. Produce, transition, veggies, late summer tomatoes and peppers linger into early fall, squash and gourds. Pumpkin, butternut, acorn, delicata, root vegetables. Carrots, potatoes, sweet potatoes, mushrooms. Many varieties are abundant in fall. Fruits, apples, pears, grapes, figs, early citrus, like clementines. Proteins, hearty stews and roasts such as pork, turkey, and game meats, if available in your area. Chicken and fish can be paired with autumnal sides like roasted squash, apples, and sage. Key flavor notes, warm, cozy spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, earthy herbs, sage, rosemary, sweet and savory combos, apples and onions, pears with cheese. How to pinpoint what's in season near you. 1. Check local farmers markets. See what's readily available. 2. Use seasonal produce guides, online resources, local extension offices, produce seasonality charts, can give you specifics for your region. 3. Ask around. Grocers or local farmers often know exactly what's best at any given time. Thank you for being part of our channel. If you like this program, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future useful information and cooking recipes from around the world. Thank you. Again.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and easy recipes.
Wake up in the morning feeling fine. Grab my umbrella, it's raining outside. Don't need no sunshine to brighten my day. I'll dance in the rain, come what may. Splashing in puddles, the water so cold. My heart's on fire, I'm feeling so bold. Raindrops falling like music in the air. I'll twirl and spin without a single care. Dancing in the rain, letting go of all my pain. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Life's too short, gotta seize the day. I'll dance in the rain every step I take. Yeah, we're caught up in the rush, life on the go. Screens flashing fast, we're missing the flow. City buzzing, drowning in the sound. Lost in the shuffle, gotta turn it around. Money, fame, we chase these dreams, but the simple life's the one that redeems. Nature's the remedy, the purest of all. Let's break the chains, hear the wild call. At the end of the road, what we see is a simple life, nature's peak. Feet on the earth, feel the vibe. That's where love and peace reside. Leave behind the stress, the constant grind. Finding solace in the natural kind. Forests whisper, rivers sing. In the heart of nature we find everything. Digital distractions, let them fade. Embrace the wild, no longer afraid. Reconnect to the roots, that's the goal. In the arms of nature we heal the soul. At the end of the road, what we see is a simple life, nature's peak. Feet on the earth, feel the vibe. That's where love and peace reside. Leave the fires in the vast night sky. Campfires glow, spirits high. Fresh breeze breathing life anew. In nature's cradle finding what's true. No more chaos, no more lies. Nature's truth in the clear blue skies. Growing food, living clean. Nature's palette, the richest green. Slow it down, find the beat. Nature's rhythm, life's retreat. Peace and love, that's the creed. At the end, it's all we need. At the end of the road, what we see is a simple life, nature's peak. Feet on the earth, feel the vibe. That's where love and peace reside. So let's return to the essence pure. Nature's embrace, the ultimate cure. In the wild we're truly free, living simple, naturally.